You gotta circle it and plug it in where? What are we plugging it in for? Plug it into the other one, but for what? For y, okay, this says y equals. So we're plugging it in up here. So you got negative 2x plus 4, and instead of y, what am I writing?
The other equation.
Yeah, so 4x minus 5 equals 8. Okay, I'm not writing all the steps for substitution down up here. They're on Substitution Day 1 video. If you don't have yours, I have you guys take a picture of it. If you need the steps, make sure that you write it down on one of your quiz reviews. That way you can use it on your test. Okay? So 4 times 4 is going to be 16x. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. And then we still got everything else that we haven't used. Okay, what should your next step be? Combine like terms. What can we combine? 16 and 2. What is negative 2 plus 16? 14. So we got 14x minus 20 equals 8. Okay, and then what? We're going to add 20. I got 14x equals 28. Okay, and then I'm going to divide by 14. So we got x equals 2. Where do you plug that into? Yeah, the y equals the equation up here. Okay. So we got y equals 4, and instead of x, I'm writing 2. Okay, that part you can type on your calculator. Okay, so 4 times 2 minus 5 is going to give you what? 3. Are we finished? Okay, and then lastly, you need to say 2 comma 3. Okay, and then lastly on your test, you're going to see 3 types of elimination problems. We started these last week. Okay, one where you can just add them together. Okay, one where you can subtract, and one where you can multiply. Okay, my suggestion would be to write this on your paper because it's kind of a cheat sheet, but do what you want. Okay, we can tell the add and subtract because they have the same number. Okay, where you see a difference is if you have different signs or same signs. Okay, and that lets you know like what you need to do. Okay, so if we look at 9, do we have something with the same number?
Yes.
What?
Okay,
The x's, okay? Now, do they have same signs or different signs? Different signs, which means we need to add the 2 equations together. Okay? So we're going to add these together. What is 3 plus negative 3? 3 plus negative 3. 0. Okay, so the x's cancel, and that's good. 2 plus negative 3. Negative 1y equals 8 plus negative 12. Negative 4. And divide by negative 1. Y equals 4. Okay, sometimes you're going to get x equals for your first part, and sometimes you're gonna get y, so pay attention, because then some of you guys will try to plug this in for x, and it doesn't say x equals, it says y equals, okay? Which equation do you wanna plug it into? 1? Okay, so we got 3x plus 2, and instead of y, I'm writing 4 equals 8. Okay, what is 2 times 4? 8. So we got 3x plus 8 equals 8. Okay, and then what? Minus 8. So we got 3x equals 0. And then divide by 3. Okay, what should your numbers be less than? 10. Okay, if you get something over 10, something ain't right. Okay? And I don't want to say that for sure, but I'm like 99% positive. Okay? So, and then it's going to be 0, 4. So, if we look at 11, do we have 2 with the same number?
Yes.
What? The x's, they're both a 1. Okay, so that's good. And then do they have the same signs or different signs? Same signs, so that means subtract. Okay, the subtraction to me are the hard ones for some of you guys because you get a lot of negatives going on. Okay, what is 1 minus 1? 0, so the x's cancel. -2 minus -1. Okay, and for some of you guys, remember, you need to write it out. So -2 minus -1. What's a negative make? Positive. So it's really -2 plus 1, -1. So we got -1y equals 2 minus -1. Okay, same thing. Write it out in a straight line. 2 minus -1. Oh, it is 3. See, I can't do it if I don't write it out. Okay, so you change it to a plus and you're like, what? Start second guessing yourself.
Yes.
For shame.
I do.
I use like, you're wrong, Miss Henny. I'm over here like, no, not 3. Okay, and then divide by -1. Okay, which one do you want to plug that into? Equation 1? Does it matter which equation? No. Okay, what is -2 times -3? Positive 6. So we got x plus 6 equals 2. And then we're going to subtract 6 on both sides. You get x equals -4. Okay, so you're going to get -4, comma, -3. Okay, last one. Do we have 2 with the same number? No. Okay, so you can see here that these 2, you have to have something with the same number. So our only option is to multiply. Okay, now, does it matter if you cancel the x's or y's? No, it doesn't. So just pick one. Okay, what do you want to cancel? The x's. Okay, so if we want to cancel the x's, okay, well, I got which one's smaller? 1 or 2?
1.
The 1. So that's the one that's going to have to get multiplied. Okay? If you were choosing the y's, you would multiply by equation 2. okay, because there you got a 1 and a 5. Okay, so -1 times what would give me a 2? 2. So we need to multiply this by 2. Now, you have to look. Do these have same signs or different signs? Same. So then this needs to be a negative. Good morning. Okay, so now multiply each piece by -2. So -1 times -2, 2. So we got 2x. 5 times -2,
Negative
-10. Y equals -11 times -2,
22.
22. Have we changed anything with the other equation? No. Okay, so write that one down. -2x plus y equals -4. Okay, now re-ask yourself. Do you have 2 with the same number? Yeah, what are they? The x's. Do they have same signs or different signs? Different signs. So that means we add or subtract them. Add together. What happens to the x's? They cancel out. So -10 plus 1, -9y equals 22 minus 4. 18. Okay, and then we're going to divide by -9. So we got y equals -2. Okay, where do we plug that into? Okay, one of the original equations. It's gotta be one of these ones, okay? Not one of these ones. Okay, so you can plug it into either one of these up here, but that's your only option, okay? We got -2x plus, and my y is -2, equals -4. Okay, and then you're gonna add 2 on both sides. I got -2x equals -2. And then divide by -2. So we get x equals 1. Okay, when you guys do the other side, you got 7 problems to do. When you get finished, put them on the box back there. I know some of you guys take days and you only do half, okay? Today would be a day that I say absolutely do the other half, okay? Especially for the graphing ones, you guys need practice, okay? Now,